Have you ever stuck in the middle of the conversation? Or do you feel like you know all the grammar rules but cannot put them together in real conversation? If the answer is yes, then let me tell you, you are not alone. And what if I tell you, you can speak fluent English within 3 months? Would you believe it? Well, that's true. You can speak fluent English if you start following these tips from today itself. So, hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. I'm Jyoti Sharma and I will help you in your English learning journey. So, today we are doing a little bit different. We are going to use music to make your learning journey fun and effective because music helps you with its rhythm, intonation, and vocabulary, that too in natural way. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab your notebook and let's start the video. And I'm going to give you the list of 5 most important English song names that will help you to get your fluency. And at the end of the video, I will also give you some tips and tricks that you should follow in order to get your fluency, to become confident speaker. So first one is Count on Me by Bruno Mars, and this song is an absolute gem for every English learner because of its simple vocabulary, clear pronunciation and useful phrases. You have to do it. This is really good one. Now the second one is again from the Bruno Mars, that is Just the Way You Are. I personally love this song because of its positive message and more importantly the structure which is used in this song. This is great for the English learner, and this song is all about describing feeling and appearance. So this is great for building vocabulary related to compliment and emotions. Now the third one is Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran. And this song is a must-have for everyone who ever want to improve their English. And what do you have to do? Pause after each line and try to repeat it exactly as the singer does. And especially you have to focus on pronunciation because that is really important part of spoken English. So do this all thing and become fluent. Trust me, this is really good. Now moving forward, fourth one is I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. And this song is perfect for day-to-day conversation because this song is especially in informal style of English. So you will hear so many phrasal verbs, contraction. So pay attention on that thing because that is really helpful in your day-to-day conversation. And pay attention on relaxed pace and tone and try to repeat after it. And last but not the least, the song number 5, which is Shake It Off by Taylor Swift. This song is very catchy. Actually, this is a fun one. It is great for adding some energy to your learning. And it will be a little bit challenging because of its fast pace, but don't worry about it because after repeating it line by line, you will be able to do it with the right pace. There is no concern about it, and just trust the process, do it consistently, and this is how you will learn this, right? And tip for the learner is sing along with the song and pay attention on how they connect the words and phrases together, right? That's a great way to learn this. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. Give this video a thumbs up and tell me which one is your favorite. Till then, bye and see you in the next one. Happy learning!